We were held hostage in my house at gunpoint.
Got no stick in a ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Many reasons why I'm staying my girl, that's just one reason why I see her. So throwing them back, baby, I love some median guys. Obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" and a red shoulder, but you know I'm some medium guys. I wanna keep you on a beach till 6 a.m.
Hey guys, welcome to my
Black, that's the package that you came in. African, Ethiopian, Nubian, melanin.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mika Teko Chauke and this is my YouTube channel called Mika Chauke. Today's video, you guys are gonna be spending the day with me. I haven't been vlogging because I was sick. I was sick for like a week, okay, a few days, but now I'm good. Now I'm fine. And yeah, the agenda for today. So first of all, the car tracker people came to install the tracker on my car today. They left like a couple of minutes ago. I didn't vlog that. And yeah, so it's currently 11 minutes past 12 and I need to go fetch my license because tell me why. Tell me, I had lost actually I didn't lose my license. My license was on my phone, the previous phone that I was using before this one. We were held hostage in my house at gunpoint and they took most of our things, and one of them is my license that was on my phone case. So that's a story for another day. I'm not here to tell you about that. I'm in a good space now, but it was very traumatic. But yeah, man, moving on. I don't want to go back there. Moving on, I went to apply for a license replacement. I think I went there I think January, Feb, because I was going back to school. So the whole of December I was driving without a license. January I was driving without a license and I had to go get a new replacement for my license because I was going back to school. So if you know, traveling to Joburg, there's a lot of metro police on the road, so I had to, go get a replacement for my license. So obviously when you apply for a license replacement, they're gonna give you a temporary. So I've been using my temporary for a couple of months now and my temporary expired 2 months ago. So I've been driving without a license. Don't do that. Don't be me. Don't be like me. So they called me on Monday to come fetch my license. And I've been saying, I'm gonna go. Today is Wednesday. I was busy. I was busy Monday. I was busy Tuesday. So now I'm free. Today I didn't go anyway. But I'm planning to go out on a solo date. That's why I'm vlogging. Because I couldn't vlog these past few... I was vlogging these past few days, but I was not... The vlog is not exciting because I was just unboxing stuff and stuff. But I'm gonna post that because I don't want to waste footage like that. So I'm gonna post that. I'm still gonna vlog after today and then put every clips that I've shot, every videos that I've shot in the past few days with the ones I'm gonna shoot in the coming days and make it one big vlog. Whew, I'm burning. So I've been talking for 4 minutes now. So yeah, man, today I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna head out now to go fetch my license from the traffic department. Luckily I did my license replacement just in my hood, so I'm not gonna take long to go fetch it. And I think I'm gonna go out on a solo date. I made a reservation yesterday, impulsively, so I'll see if I'm gonna go or not. Because one thing about me, I don't know what's wrong with me these days. I just feel weird going out in public alone, and I used to go on solo dates so much. Maybe it's because I wanna vlog, and I feel like, how do you guys vlog? How do YouTubers vlog in public alone? With friends, please, I'm gonna take out my camera and vlog. But alone, hey, yeah, it's gonna be what's this? It's gonna be an adventure for me to vlog. So I'm trying this new restaurant. Actually, I will talk to you guys when I get there. I'll check in with you guys because I've been speaking for 6 minutes. Bye. I got my license. Now I'm about to go pour petrol because I don't have petrol, as you guys can see. I'm back, baby. Yeah, like I showed you guys, I got my license. Obviously, I'm not gonna. Let me just show you this side. I got my license. And also, why when I arrived at the traffic department they were closed, and traffic departments close at 3. The reason why they said they closed is because there's no water, and the toilets are dirty because of people, when they go to the toilet they don't flush because there's no water. So luckily enough, I was doing a collection, so I just gave them my ID. We were literally standing outside the premises. We were sitting like by the gate. They locked the gate and all. People were complaining. They were like, some lady was like, I'm here to renew my license disc. And then they were like, she's like, get the toilet or get the renew disc. I was like, that's right. But I understand. I fully understand why they had to close, because there's no water and probably the toilets stink and toilets are dirty, and probably someone who's pregnant who's working there. I understand. But I also understand the frustration to go to the traffic department. Probably some of the people just, bakopile go chase early, bakopile go chase early so that they can go renew their discs, because they know licensed traffic departments close at 3. I understand that frustration, because I was also gonna say that. I was also gonna say that get the toilet or get the patela or get the renew a disc. I was also gonna ask if they said to me, "No, ma'am, we can't give you a license." I was gonna say, "Get the collect or get the rota." But obviously, with the collecting, it's just easy that you give your ID, they go fetch your documents, you sign, you leave. With renewing a disc, it's a process, because you need to submit your document, you need to submit your ID, your your car registration, and they need to type whatever they type in on the desktop, and then they need to give you a paper for you to go pay. So yeah, that's a process. But I would have been frustrated because am I there to renew my license disc, or am I there to go pee in the toilets? I'm not gonna use the toilets. They were asking, why didn't you guys lock the toilet? They were like, they put a bar stool or something like that, but people kept on taking the bar stool away or whatever. Hey guys, kuningi, but I understand from both parties, from the employees and the people who are coming to do their things at the traffic department. Yeah, man. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about my trip to the traffic department. I just wanted to share with you guys because, yeah, man. I also would have been frustrated. But anyways, it's currently 28 minutes past. Actually, it's almost 1:30. And I think I already bathed and all that. I just need to change. I'm gonna go change. And let me check who's outside. Okay, they're not standing outside my yard. But anyways, I am gonna go change, and yeah, we are gonna go out and celebrate long overdue. And also I needed that. I've been sick and I need to treat myself. Also, I've been working hard. I don't know if you guys know. If you didn't know, I have a hair business. Basically, I'm offering services like washing wigs, customizing wigs, and my business is called Laid by Mika. I also offer installations. I forgot to mention that. I offer installations, wig washes, wig customizations. I also, if you want me to trim your hair, I also do that. But it's not on my price list. I need to include it on my price list. I also trim hair. If you want your hair, if you have a straight hair or this length, 10 inch or 12 inch, and you wanna trim it, I'm your girl. Yeah, my business is called Laid by Mika. I'll insert my Instagram here. Please go follow. Book with me. If you want to get your wigs washed, send them to me so I can wash them. What else? And I'll also insert my price list here. So yeah, let me go. This solo date is long overdue because I want to treat myself because I was working hard. This is too bright. I was working hard last week because I had back to back wigs. I had 6 wigs to do and 2 installations. So it was a lot. It was a lot, and mingi one. So I deserve to go treat myself. So with that being said, please book with me, and let's go. And also, I don't know why this restaurant does reservations, because also I haven't been to this restaurant and it's quite near. There's a lot of gyms in restaurant and we're not aware. If you're from restaurant, please, there's a lot of gyms and I'm planning to discover all of them, and I'm gonna plug you. I'm not gonna gatekeep them. I'm gonna plug you all, guys. Let me go change. We'll talk. Okay, loves, I'm here at Tiger's Milk I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm Tiger's Milk in Rodepoort. It's in Kwena Center, just after Razor, just before Clearwater, if you're from the restaurant. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Good evening. Can I please have one whiskey sour? Thank you. So, what did I want to say? I forgot what I wanted to say. It feels weird vlogging in public, but it is what it is. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Also, I don't know if this music is copyrighted or not. Yes, we are vlogging. We are vlogging. Say hi to my vlog. Can you guys hear me? Say hi to my vlog. The vlog, hello. Okay. Dua kapo.
Hey guys, welcome to my Wait up.
I don't know what I am.
Like this.
This whiskey sour is so nice. Whiskey sour. Enye? Yoko bena boy. Okay, love, I'm back. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I was on a video call with Kito. We spoke for like 23 minutes. So I ordered a whiskey sour, and yeah, it's nice, but I'm not sure about that loss. I want to show you guys the views. I'm trying to figure out what to eat. As you guys know, I'm on Valentine's, but I think today's gonna be my cheat day. I don't wanna cheat, but like, hey, I don't have a choice. Yeah, Mara, get the order start for now. Okay. Did you chicken wings are not the guy? The six. Bacon breast. Okay. So what I need to do now is edit. I want to edit my video. I have my iPad also. I almost forgot about you guys. This is what I thought. video 10 also. I almost forgot to talk to you guys, but I'm not gonna talk for long because I don't know if this music is copyrighted or not. I just want to show you guys what I ordered for my main course. I'm not too sure about this. I'm not too sure about this child, and I ordered it. This note is not giving. It's not giving. To say this music is so loud. I wanted to say that it's currently it's 10 to 6 now, and I don't know whether I should leave or not because it's gonna be load shedding at 6, so I'm thinking whether I should. Okay, what time does check is closed? Because I need to buy groceries. Okay, I just checked what time because I see a Checkers here, so I think I'm gonna go to Checkers because I don't see hoodies anywhere. So I'm gonna go to Checkers, run a few errands at Checkers, and then I'll keep you guys posted. I should have said outside. I think there's hardly here. I don't know. But the next time I'm coming with a friend so that we can get happy. For 17 minutes. And I think I'm gonna go home when I'm done drinking those. Actually, no, I'm not gonna go home as of yet. I need to go to what's this? Checkers first, and then I'm gonna head home. I'll check in with you guys. I'm at Checkers, and this is what I bought as of yet. I'm trying to see what else I should buy. I'm going home now. This is the Tiger's Milk I was at in Little
Head
Falls.
southwest.
It's actually Little Falls. Yeah. There's also
in 50 meters at the roundabout. Take the first exit.
On the left, when you leave, it's on the right hand side. Okay, this is the Tiger's Milk. Where Leroy Midland is at.
In 100 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Bye bye.
This route avoids road closures on Hendrik Poggita Road.
I'm on my way home now. It is a great day. It is a great day. It is a great day to be alive. Please, I love those songs. Hey loves. I'm back home. It's currently 8:20, and probably I got home 20 minutes ago. reason being, I made up with someone. So now that I'm home, I totally forgot that I was vlogging, and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Shakers. Almost forgot. I'm gonna show you guys shortly, but I already packed everything, so I'll just take. Actually, I'm not gonna show you everything that I got. I just want to show you replacements I got for my bunting. So yeah, I'm back, and I'm not gonna show you guys the whole grocery haul. I'm just gonna show you what I got for replacements. I think, yeah. So obviously I can't eat starch. I'm on bunting. If it's the first time watching my channel and you're watching this video and you've come this far, I'm bunting. I don't eat any food that has starch whatsoever. So I found replacements for rice and spaghetti, so I'm gonna show you guys. Also, these were a bit pricey for the size, honestly. So I got a replacement for rice. It's the cauliflower and turnip rice, I think. And then I got cauliflower noodles. I also got, okay, because these things are here, I got mushrooms, frozen cauliflower to make my cauliflower mash. Love it so much. I also got cabbage to do cabbage bread. I'm gonna show you one of the days how to make cabbage bread. I saw this recipe on this other girlie on TikTok. Ciao. Love it. I also got butternut spaghetti and baby Mario spaghetti, but this is just grated butternut and grated baby Mario. So, but these I'm excited to try them out. Okay, loves, I think I'm gonna end the video here because I wanna edit and upload this video as soon as possible because I don't have any videos to upload this week. Okay, I could edit, I could edit the videos that I've been taking throughout these past few days, but like I said, they are not that interesting, so I'm gonna vlog from today. Actually, I'll see. You guys will see those videos whenever I decide to upload them. Whenever I decide to you know, have a vlog, have one vlog together. I don't know if you guys understand. I don't even know what I'm saying, but anyways, that's besides the point. My point is I want to upload this video as soon as possible, and I need to end the video now so I can be able to edit in one day. I don't want a lot of footages. Already there's a lot of footages, so if I would, because also there's nothing I'm doing, I just go home. I do need to close off the vlog now because there's absolutely nothing I'm gonna do, because I just go home and I'm just gonna watch TV. Actually, no, I need to finish off the wig. I need to finish the client's wig. She needs the wig by tomorrow, which is Thursday, so I need to be done with it today so that I don't have anything. I don't have a lot of work to do tomorrow because I have other things to do also. So because I'm practically done, I just need to blow dry hair dry it, straighten it, style it, and then package it. Should I show you guys that process? No, I'll show you some other day. Yeah, I'll show you guys some other day. But anyways, with that being said, I've been speaking for 3 minutes. With that being said, love you lots like jelly's hearts. And if you have come this far, you are a real one. If you've come this far and you're new to my channel, thank you, baby. Thank you, my love. Thank you, Moratiwa. Thank you, Suere. Thank you, Lavi. I love you so much. I love all my sabis so much. And please be my sabi so that I can love you also so much. But even if you're not my sabi, I love you so much. Anyways, now I'm rambling. Anyways, if you're new to my channel and you've come this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. It's absolutely free, and also you won't have to, you won't have to search my name every time to check if I posted a video. You just gonna my video is just gonna pop up on your subscription timeline. So I'll see you guys on my next upload. It's probably gonna be a weekend vlog, because one thing about me, I'm active on the weekends. Please, during the week my life is busy, on the weekends active. So I'll see you guys on my weekend vlog. It's definitely gonna be a weekend vlog. I can feel it in my blood, in my bones, in my everything. But bye loves, I'll see you guys on my next upload. Stay safe, take care, bye.